What's up everybody? Today we're gonna unbox a knife that I just got from the internet. And this is the box it came from. Very plain box, black box, has nothing on it, no logo, no nothing. This is made in China, they don't need logo. This is purchasing from one big factory, and the label is some kind of a weird brand name on Amazon. They sell it. And here you go. It comes with a pouch and the knife's in a plastic bag. Let me see if the shot's in focus. If it's not, I'm gonna be furious. I'm gonna put this back into my pocket because we ain't gonna use that. And it's a little bit oily on the surface of the knife. I don't like it. I need to clean this shit. Alright, so how do we take out the knife? Oh, actually you just like that. Oh, the build quality I would say is not that good. It's what is this metal even? Like, it feels very like toyish. It's not really heavy, hefty kind of thing that you can really feel the weight in your hand. This one is very light and it's oily, oil everywhere. Disgusting, real disgusting. Alright, so let me introduce you to the functions of this knife. First of all, this is a beer bottle opener. This is probably what I'm gonna use most on this knife. And then you have the seat belt cutter. This thing, you can't touch it. I can't touch it even if I try it. It's pretty sharp, I suppose. And this is where you can put it on your belt. This is a screwdriver. A very strange, unique screwdriver I've ever seen. This one is a glass breaker. This thing is gonna be powerful. It would be better if it's heavier. This knife itself, but since the knife itself is pretty light, I don't see how you break a glass with this. I don't know. Probably still very strong because you have all the pressure on this tiny little point. You can put really a lot of pressure on, and yeah. And this is the knife. What else? What else? Anything I missed? Alright, how do I close this knife? Now that's a problem. That's a question now. Here we go. We can't. Do we? For fuck's sake. I actually don't know how to close this thing. Now usually when this kind of knife has a button, like you press it and it jumps out, and then you just fold it back. But now this one, I don't know, man. How the fuck do I put it back? I'm scared, bro. It's gonna cut my hand in half. Holy shit. Oh man. Oh jeez. I kind of regret this purchase, man, even though it's very cheap. So I'll show you price here because I don't remember right now. I'm gonna show you on the screen right now. On the screen. Alright. So let's test it a little bit. See if it's sharp. Seems sharp, I don't know. I'm gonna just poke. And poke. Seems okay. I mean, it's not sharp, but you know, it's a knife. You can use it to do all kinds of knife things. You can cut stuff. You can cut people. You can cut animals. You can cut your feet. You can cut your fingernail. Whatever you want, whatever you desire, you can do it, man. Now I just need to figure out how to fucking close this thing because I'm fucking